A sum of money becomes 4 times at simple interest in 10 years. What is the rate of interest? Now, let's assume the sum of money invested, that is principal, to be 100. Now it is becoming 4 times. That means amount becomes 400. So therefore we can say simple interest will be 400 minus 100, that is 300. Now the formula for simple interest is PNR by 100. So let's substitute all the values. Simple interest we have calculated, it comes out to be 300. Principal, as per our assumption, it is 100. N it is given to us is 10. R we have to find out. So let's solve this. So 100 gets cancelled. 300 upon 10, we get the value of R as 30. So therefore, our answer will be option C, 30%.